My favorite thing about working here at Enginetech would be the chance to work with everyone around the world, getting the best price we can and the best quality we can for our customers. That's what they deserve, and that's what we strive to do.
Something most people don't know about Enginetech is that the people here are car people, and what we mean by that is that we really enjoy cars. This isn't just a job for us, this is what we live. Several of the team members here, as well as several of the team leaders, have more than one collector vehicle. I personally have two. And we like interacting, we like attending car shows. We're car people. We want our customers to know that we care about your car.
My favorite thing over here at Enginetech would probably be collaborating with the customers. We do international and national right here in the United States. So we get a little bit of everybody's personality from east to west.
One thing that I would like everyone to know about Enginetech is that we are a family-owned company, and we're able to put our customers first and not just looking for a quick profit.
Well, one thing is the amount of effort that everybody does put forth working here to make sure that a good quality product is going out there. Everybody does stand up and put their best foot forward, always going the extra mile and making sure that the products that we are sending to our customers are perfect.
My favorite thing about Enginetech is they really make you feel like family and not just an employee or, just like someone they pay. They actually make you feel like home, like it's comfortable to come to work.
My favorite thing about my job here at Enginetech is that every morning when I come into the office, doesn't matter if it's a Monday, doesn't matter if it's gray outside and the sky is overcast, it doesn't matter if it's early. Everyone has a big smile, everyone says good morning. So it's a really pleasant environment to walk into.
One thing I would like people to know about Enginetech is that they will always treat you like family.
One thing I'd like people to know about this job is that I think it's a really friendly environment. Like a lot of the people that work here are like really friendly and it's easy to get along with.
My favorite thing will be the environment, the people. It's always great people, and there's always possibility to learn and keep advancing forward.
One thing about Enginetech, they really do care about the customer. That's pretty much the way everything is focused into getting the parts they need, the pricing, the data. It's all about the customer.